Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, black color, yellow color, dark pink color, orange color, brown color, light pink color, red color, dark green color, sky blue color, purple color, and light green color. Kids, now you draw A and use light green color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for god, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use black color. J for joker, K for king, L for lemon, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for quill. So now you draw R and use yellow color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for whale, X for x-ray, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zoo. Kids, now you draw numbers and use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.